Here's a quick tour of a bachelor's quarters on Roi Namur in the Kwajalein Atoll. This is the furniture they provide you with. At your front door, come into some linoleum floor. They give you a table, chair, dresser, couch, a couple side tables, a lamp, a desk, a recliner, a dresser, a full-size bed, another side table. You get a closet and a mirror. Decent sized closet. You can separate your bedroom from the front room or living room with these sliding doors. Get a small kitchen. Get a bathroom with a stand-up shower, regular toilet, normal size refrigerator, kitchen cabinets. That's about it. Pretty simple, but plenty big for one person, that's for sure. Here's a view from the other side. That's exactly what this building looks like, just reversed.